Right, all natural chicken fences. This is going to be onions and carrots. Hopefully, I'm going to plant them later today. I transplanted some onions in here a couple of weeks ago. They have not got in there. That is just, they are still wilty. They've been in a pot, root bound for a while. But anyway, I've got some peas over here. They haven't gotten in here. They don't want to get poked. I set it up so it looks real pokey and doesn't look like there's a lot of room when they get in there. I make it real obnoxious for them to even want to go in. Anyway, let me show you some more. Here's a spot where I got to keep my onions. It was a little bit lightweight, but I set the sticks so that they'd poke them. You know, they don't like being poked by those sticks, so that works. Let me show you some more. There's a little pea patch started. I'm not sure how this one will turn out. It's pretty concealed. It's in the middle of a bunch of stuff. But anyway, I have a little road underneath the collards there, between the collards and the corn. And once the corn got big enough, I could clean it out so they could get into the corn and play in the corn. Let me move this out of the way. Yeah, I didn't get very big corn. It's been real cool and wet this year. But anyway, so let me show you some more. The only place I've seen the chickens in here is back in there. They'll go back in there and dig. I planted them some grain. I like to take a little bit of grain out of their feed bag, and I just poke a little bit in the ground, and that way they can have snacks later on. So anyway, yeah, there's some onions in there. They didn't do very good in this spot. I just had problems this year. But anyway, there is some onions in there. One big one. This was pretty well blocked off all summer, but I just now pulled some of the sticks out. They haven't gotten in there. I mean, they could, but I wanted them to be able to reach their Brussels sprout. This is their Brussels sprout. For the bigger plants, I block them in real good while they're seedlings. I'm having some stuff built for me. Yay! Anyway, so once the plants get big enough and durable enough, like these right here, they're nice and big. You know, chickens can't hurt those. They're just going to eat off of them. So I pull all the sticks out. I don't want them digging up around the borage, so I left a pile of sticks here. That keeps them from digging. If I don't want them to dig, I just stack up sticks and stuff. You know, they can't get in there to really make a difference. So they do like to eat borage flowers. Hello, girl. How are you, Diamond? Hi. Hi, girl. Hi. Hi, girl. Hi. Hi. Hi, girl. Hi. Find something good to eat? Anyway, I hope you enjoy that video. Diamond's here to say goodbye. Sorry about the saw. I thought it'd make an interesting video having some work going on in the background. My best friend's building me some tables for my sewing studio, and I have a sewing channel, and anyway, blah blah, and I'll talk to you more about that later if you're interested. Bye bye.